understanding financial cards, Visa, and more. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trauma Media, where we break down money matters in a simple and practical ways. Today we're diving deep into something you probably have in your wallet right now: financial cards, MasterCard, Visa, credit cards, debit cards. What's the difference? How do they work? And how can you use them wisely to build financial freedom instead of falling into debt? By the end of this video, you will be a pro at using financial cards in the right way. What exactly are financial cards? Simply put, they are plastic or digital cards that help you to make payments without using cash. But not all financial cards are the same. Here are the main types. Number one, debit cards. These are linked to your bank account. When you use them, money is deducted instantly. No debt, no interest, just your own money. 2. Credit card. These allow you to borrow money from the bank up to a limit. You need to pay it back on time, or else you'll be charged interest. 3. Prepaid cards. These are loaded with money in advance, and once you use up the balance, you can't spend more unless you reload. 4. Virtual cards. Digital versions of debit or credit cards, mainly used for online shopping and subscription. 5 is business cards, designed for companies and entrepreneurs to manage expenses separately from personal finances. Now, you have probably heard of MasterCard and Visa, right? But what's the difference between them? Visa and MasterCard are not banks. They don't issue cards themselves. Instead, they are payment networks that connect banks, businesses, and customers worldwide. Here is a simple breakdown. Visa, accepted in over 20 countries, known for secure and fast transactions. MasterCard, also widely accepted with extra perks like travel benefits, cashback, and fraud protection. Whether your card is Visa or MasterCard doesn't matter as much as who issued the card and what benefits it offers. That's where things like interest rates, cashback, and rewards comes into play. Now let's talk about credit cards. Works. They are super convenient but also risky if you don't understand how they work. Here is the deal. You borrow money from the bank every time you swipe your credit card. 2. You get a bill at the end of the month. If you pay it in full, no interest is charged. Number 3, if you don't pay in full, interest starts adding up, and that's where people get stuck in debt. You know, the biggest mistake to avoid is paying only the minimum amount. The interest keeps growing. Also, missing payments. This is one of the things that can ruin your credit scores. Using a credit card for unnecessary spending is no. Only use it for things you can afford. Want to use a credit card smartly? Always pay your bills in full and use it for things that gives you reward, like travel points or cashback. Now let's ask ourselves, debit or credit card, which should you use? Do you use a debit card or credit card? Here is a simple guide. Number one, use a debit card if you want to avoid debt and spend only what you have. 2, use a credit card if you can pay your bill in full and want to build a good credit score or earn rewards. Here is a secret tips. If you are new to credit cards, start with a low limit card and set up auto pay so you never miss a payment. Now let's look at how to choose the best card for you. How do you pick the right financial card? Here is what to consider. 1, very important, fees. Look for a card with no annual fees or low interest. Number 2, rewards. Some cards offer cashback, travel miles, or shopping discounts. So make sure you go for those ones that has good cashback. Number 3, credit limits. A higher limit can help your credit score, but only if you use it wisely. Number 4, security. Choose a card with fraud protection and easy freeze and unfreeze options. If you travel a lot, go for a card with no foreign transaction fees. If you shop online, pick one with purchase protection. And if you are on a budget, a prepaid or debit card is your safest bet. A good credit scores help you get loans, rent apartments, and even land better jobs opportunities. Here is how to boost your score. Pay your bills on time. Late payments hinder your credit scores. Keep your credit usage below 30%. If your limit is $1,000, try not to use more than $300. Don't apply for too many cards at once. It makes you look desperate for credit. Use old credit cards occasionally. Keeping old accounts open helps your score. Okay, now follow these steps and in a few months your credit score will start climbing. Finally, there you have it all. Everything you need to know about financial card in a simple and practical way. Whether you use Visa, MasterCard, credit or debit card, just remember, use financial card as a tool, not a trap. Now, tell me in the comments, what's your biggest struggle with financial cards? Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more money tips. See you in the next video.